Hey guys, today's video is about the types of soil in India, and this one is laterite and lateric soil. It is formed in high temperature with heavy rainfall cause chemical weathering of rocks. The characteristics of laterite and lateric soil: it lacks nitrogen, it is rich in iron, it is rich in potash. Tea, coffee, rubbers, cashews, etc. are the major crops which are grown in lateric soil in India. Where is laterite and lateric soil found in India? Laterite and laterite soil are found in India in Kerala, West Bengal, Kerala, West Karnataka, Meghalaya, Assam, and Jharkhand. Forest and mountain soil. The next type of soil is guys forest and mountain soil. It is formed from under heavy rainfall and vegetation characterized by humus. The characteristics of forest and mountain soil: it lacks potash, it is rich in nitrogen, it is rich in humus. Tea, coffee, spices, tropical fruits, etc. are the major crops which are grown in forest and mountain soil in India. Where forest and mountain soil are found in India? The answer is it is found in Jammu and Kashmir Valley, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Assam, Nagaland, and Mizoram in India. The next type of soil is arid and desert soil, and this one is the last type of soil that is present in India. It is formed by wind depositing sand from the coast and Indus Valley. The characteristics of arid and desert soil: it lacks nitrogen, it lacks humus, it lacks potash, it is rich in salt, millet, barley, cottons, etc. are the major crops which are grown in arid and desert soil in India. If soil becomes irrigated, where arid and desert soil are found in India? And the answer is these are found mainly in western part of Rajasthan in India. Peaty and marshy soil. These are formed in the waterlogged condition with heavy rainfall accumulating decomposed organic matter. The characteristics of peaty and marshy soil: it lacks potash, it is rich in humus, it is rich in nitrogen. Paddy, jute, cabbage, carrots, etc. are the major crops which are grown in peaty and marshy soil in India. Where peaty and marshy soil are found in India? The answer is it is found in Kerala, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, and Uttarakhand in India. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.